Hi everyone, welcome to Google Ads Script tutorial session 2. In this video, we're gonna cover the daily spend for Google Ads account. We have noticed in the past that spend is one of the very crucial part of Google Ads account. If you are a single advertiser or you are an agency, it's important that you monitor your daily spend per campaign wise or at the account level as well. Because every month there's a certain kind of a budget is allocated for each campaign that you're running within Google Ads. So it's important that you monitor your daily spend and take actions accordingly. For example, any optimization is required if there isn't any kind of an increase or decrease in the spend that you have noticed, and you can take a very formulated data-driven decisions. So right now, in today's tutorial, we will be covering a sheet that is completely automated and it fetches the information from your Google Ads and this it displays into this formulated template what we have designed. So let me just give you a small walkthrough that how this sheet works. So on the first thing, what we have over here is a raw dump. Raw dump is nothing but it's the data, a raw data that gets fetched by from Google Ads by running a script that I will be covering onto the later part of this session. That raw data, once it gets dumped into this particular sheet, then according to the campaign type, what is there in your Google Ads account that you are running for that particular month or for that particular day, it will get segregated accordingly. So let's take an example. Right now, I'm running a search campaign. So first over here is the month which gets displayed, and this is automatically. So, it automatically it fetches from the present day from which you are running this particular report. So let's take an example. If we change the month, it will throw an error over here that it says, please enter the current month. So you just need to mention the month. Then automatically start date you have to select. That would be your 1st of May. And then things you have to select your end date over here. That would be 31st of May. Then it has calculated the number of days, the days that have been completed. So today I'm recording this video. It's the 6th of May. So it's in fact there are around 6 days has passed for this particular month. Then the total number of days which is left is 25. Over here in the column budget control section, the first metric, which is the budget. So now there is a certain amount of budget, and I'm sure that each advertiser they allocate for each campaign that they are running. So for search, in fact, let's take an example. You can put the budget that you have entered at in your campaign. So for example, I've mentioned here 1500 USD, and the spend will get calculated with the number of days which is coming up over here. Then the remaining day budget, which will get deducted from the total budget. What is the ideal daily spend which is expected from the search campaign? And then this particular section will let you know that what is your overall pacing, whether you're overpacing or whether you're underpacing. And if you're overpacing, then on the below cell, it will give you the percentage by which you are either overpacing or either you are underpacing. Okay. Same goes with the entire different, this template is exactly the same for all the different types of campaigns that you are running in your Google Ads account. So same for PMAX, same for display campaigns, same for shopping ads, same for demand gen, hotel ads, and video ads that you are running. Right now, I've taken search campaign type because I'm running one of the search campaign type for one of my clients. So this tutorial is dedicated for the search campaign. And in fact, whatever the different types of campaign that you are running, you just need to, run the script, and automatically this sheet will segregate the campaign types accordingly into the respective sheets, what we have mentioned, in the bottom. So now let's move to the second part of it. Right now, I have written a script. So what you can do that you need to go to the website. We have mentioned the description link. In the description link, we have mentioned the URL for this blog. You just need to copy this script from here till here. You just need to copy it and move to your Google Ads account, go to tools and select this option called scripts. Okay. And you need to mention, or you can just need to paste the code what you have copied from the website. Okay. Then you need to click on to save on the bottom, and then you need to click on to run. Once you run this, script, what it will do, it will fetch all the information on this raw dump sheet over here. Okay. So once that raw, it's successfully, it has been executed, it will fetch that information onto the raw dump sheet. And with that being said, automatically this template will segregate the campaign type, segregate the campaign data and its type, on the respective sheet, what we have mentioned. The only step that you have to be careful is that you need to mention the correct URL over here. You need to replace this URL. And in this video description, we have mentioned, the URL of this sheet, the template that what we have designed. So you just need to copy the sheet link, okay? And the new URL, what you get, you just need to replace that URL into this between this inverted commas. And once you have replaced it, then click on to save and run it. Once you run, it will fetch the information onto this Google Sheet. This is very important. Reason being, we have seen that pacing is one of the important feature within the agency as a process, because we daily monitor the spend, that we daily monitor how it is trending, whether it is a spike, whether there is a decline into the spend, and we take certain action which can be included into the optimization step. Either you have to increase your budget, in fact, you have to decrease your budget. You can take action accordingly. So use the script, and if you get any kind of a problem with the script, feel free to drop a comment onto this video description or onto this video, or you can leave the comment onto the website itself. I'll be more than happy to resolve the issue for you. Thank you so much.